I got some goodies from Look Fantastic, so let's unbox them. I'm not going to show you everything because I did order some things for my partner's birthday and I don't want him to see what I got for him. First things first, the Look Fantastic Iconic London Beauty Box. I believe this box retails for like £50 and you get over £100 stuff. In the box you get an eyeshadow palette, a lip plumper, their OG setting sprays, an eyeliner, a blush, and mascara. Absolutely fabulous. I wanted to try some of the things that were in this box, and the ones that I already have I'm going to put in for a giveaway, so make sure you follow me to find out how you can win some stuff for free. Let's get into what I got for myself. This is the beautyworks paddle brush. I've had one of these for over 10 years, so it was about time that I changed my big. So it makes your hair super slick and it's one of my favorite brushes to actually straighten my hair. Listen, I don't want to hear it. Then I got the Eucerin Oil Control SPF. Then I got the Johnson, I'm not sure if that's how I pronounce it, face moisturizer after shave balm hydrating for dry skin. I got this for my partner to try after he shaved his head. He wants to try something new, and I also want him to stop to use my Mallows after shave butters and pretty much everything from Mallows that I buy for myself. Kingsley shampoo. This is fantastic for those of you that have psoriasis, which is what I have. I not only use it on my hair, but I also use it on my body when I need to. Last but not least, I got the Color Wow Extra Strength Drink Coat. And I'm really excited to try this because you all know I wasn't a fan of the original one. I do like the one for curly hair, but this one, can't wait to try it.